Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 2, Session 7, Chemical Symbols, Formulas, and Ions. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to read chemical symbols, identify common ions, and interpret formulas. Listen for these key terms: symbol, subscript, ion, cation, anion. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Chemical symbols are compact labels for elements. A formula uses symbols and subscripts to show the composition of a particle or formula unit. Ions are atoms or groups of atoms with charge. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. A subscript belongs only to the symbol or group immediate before it. In CaNO3, 2, the 2 outside the parentheses applies to the entire nitrate group, so there are 2 nitrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example, counting atoms in a formula. In Al2SO4 3, there are 2 aluminum atoms. The sulfate group SO4 appears 3 times, so sulfur equals 3 and oxygen equals 12. The total atom count is 17. Parentheses are a multiplier, not decoration. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. The ion Mg2+ has a 2+ charge because magnesium has lost 2 electrons. The ion Cl- has a 1- charge because chlorine has gained 1 electron. The number of protons did not change. Changing protons would change the element. Now answer this self-check. How many oxygen atoms are in CaNO3 2? A strong answer should include 6. Hint, there are 2 nitrate groups, each with 3 oxygen atoms. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Count each element in MgOH2. Task 2. Explain why Na+ is smaller than a neutral sodium atom. Task 3. Write the charge and name for the chloride ion. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is..." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.